I just arrived in the south of France. I'm going to visit some friends for a few days. Let me show you. This is the van I'm sleeping in. After here you have the caravan of my friend. Dun, 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 dun. There you have the garden with the vegetables, and this is the house with our friend. So this is where I'm going to stay for a few days. Probably gonna go to the beach tomorrow for some like surfing session. Might go skydiving also. Yeah, we'll see. So we get to the beach. All my friends are already in the water because we are going to surf. Sadly, me, I can't because I tattooed my leg yesterday morning, and it's not good to go in the ocean with a fresh new tattoo. I bring my drone and my camera, so I'm gonna film them, and we'll see. Surf session is over. Let's go for a coffee. Second day in France. We're going to Mimizan to do some skydiving. Really excited about it. I never jumped in France, so let's go. I came back from skydiving. I jumped 3 times this afternoon. It was a lot of fun. Sadly, I don't have any video to show you because I'm still not allowed to carry a GoPro in the air. And when you skydive, they ask you to have like a certain amount of jumps to prove your experience to be able to have a camera in the air. So it's not like distracting and blah blah blah. So I don't have any footage to show you, sadly. But it was a lot of fun, super beautiful. When you jump like out of the plane, you can see the ocean with the beach and the forest. Super beautiful spot. If you're around Mimizan, go skydive there. So, people have been asking me why I do this video in English, because obviously English is not my first language, and this is actually the reason, because I feel it's improving my English, and all the video and the vlog I do is because I really enjoy the process of learning. I'm learning video editing, I'm learning audio editing, how to use camera and everything, and doing it in English had me another challenge because it's not my first language. I need to make an effort on my English speaking, and yeah, so it was like the challenge. It's exactly the same feelings that push myself to do skydiving this year. Always being in a process of learning. It's something that stimulate me a lot. Sometimes it can be hard because the final process of doing video is to put it online, and after when it's online, people are gonna make fun of you or things like this because what you're doing sometimes is not good. But the hardest part is to accept that it's normal that it's not good, because that's the process of learning. You have to pass through doing shitty thing to at the end reach a certain quality. That's what pushes us to always do new thing and get better, and everything is the feeling of learning, pushing thing. Okay. It's time to leave because I'm performing tomorrow. I'm going to catch a train in a few hours. It was a lot of fun, but now time to pack.